back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Orna Box for July month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before starting the video, let me first tell you that Orna Box is a jewelry subscription box. They have two different variants. First one is the green one. The second one is the blue one, which I will be unboxing. So let's talk about this. So the price for blue edition is 799 rupees. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box so you guys can check it. Now let's quickly see what all it has. So let's start with the jewelry part. First one is the most beautiful earring, I guess, in the box, which is this. It's really pretty. Just have a look. Though these are Indian, but I know I don't really wear too much of Indian, but these are really pretty. I love it, and I'm just thinking of wearing these on my Western dress. I think they will work. But let me just wear it and show you the look. They are super pretty. The quality and everything of these earrings are super nice. So I'm very happy, and that's why I wanted to show you this one first. Wow. So you can just see it's looking so stunning. So really happy with this one, and I would say one of the favorite earring in the box. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is this, and this is again really pretty, very in fashion. Let me tell you, these design, like this pattern is really in these days, and I really wanted something like this. So yes, super happy with this one as well because they are super pretty. You can just see, and the quality is super nice. Let me just wear it and show you the look. Though the color is red, I'm not really fond of red color. I don't really wear too much of red, but the pattern, the style is really nice. So yes, I'm definitely going to wear it, and you can just see they are looking stunning. Quality of these earrings are really nice. Super, I would say these are quite heavy, you can say, because these are metal kind of earrings, and this is the look. So super nice. Don't worry about the look. I will be clicking some pictures. I will be creating a lookbook. I will attach that in the end of the video, so stay connected for that. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one are these. These are again pretty, and these are perfect for parties. So whenever you want to tie your hair, you want something very rich, royal kind of a look, so they will go perfectly like on that. Let me just wear it. Gold and black is the color, so the color scheme and this design is quite safe. Let me just wear it. So these can go on Indian and on Western as well. So these are like really safe kind of earring, and this is the look. So pretty. Now let's move on to the next one. And the next one are perfect for, I guess, kurtis, for suits, and this is the look. Just have a look. So it's silver, oxidized silver with a pearl hair. Let me just wear one and show you the look. So this is the look. Pretty. And as I've said, these are just perfect for your kurti, for your suit look. And yes, I'm happy. These are looking nice. Now I'm left with the last one, and it's a choker kind of a thing, and it's quite pretty actually. It's white, actually it's gold with some pearl kind of a design. So this is the design. Let me just wear it and quickly show you that how exactly this is going to look. Wow, so this is the look, and you can just see it's looking so nice. It's like double layer choker kind of a thing, or you can say neck piece. It's looking really nice. So yes, I'm super happy with this one. And that's all what I have received in my Orna Box Blue Edition for July month. Now, if you ask my favorites, I have already told you, I guess. The first one is, of course, this one. It's really beautiful. The quality, everything of this earring is really beautiful. So, yes, I love it. Oops. Okay. So, this is the first one. And then the second one is this again. So, these two earrings, and then this choker is really pretty. All other two earrings are also nice, but these three are my favorite. Top 3, you can say. So yes, I'm super happy with my Orna Box Blue Edition, and if you like it, go ahead and place your order. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box, and this box is available till 15th of August. So yes, guys, hurry up and buy your box if you like it. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.